we have one new product. It's a TENVIS wireless network camera with Wi-Fi function, motion detection, night vision and mobile control with two-way sound. Let's see what we get in the box. First of all, we get one user manual to give us a guide how to configure it with mobile phone and with desktop. We got with some screws for mounting, bracket, and this is a bracket. We got one charger, power adapter for camera, and we have one main unit camera. Okay. Here is the main camera. Let's see what we get inside. First of all, this is a lens. You can see IR lights. This is a motion sensor. You can see mic over here and the speaker over here. Bottom you can see the credential for camera, QR code and device name and ID password. Over here you can see reset button. You can use paper pin to reset the device. On back of the camera you can see power adapter slot, memory card slot and one LAN port to configure the camera. Let's see how we can configure with your mobile phone first of all, then we can use our desktop system or laptop to configure it. To configure this camera you require a LAN port. Without LAN you can't configure it. So get your LAN port. For Android you require an application. It's called iMega. The first one application, you can just download it from here. Install. Let's start this camera. You can see LAN port lights. Okay. Once it turn on, it will move around all the way down like this. So it's turning on right now. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, go to the application. Okay, add camera. It's not connected with internet right now, so we can scan QR code. By default password it's admin. So it's connecting right now. So it will ask you to modify the password. So over here it's giving you the detail. Once you edit the password, once you give the new password, click apply. That will say successfully done. Once you click over here, it's giving you online signal. So it will give you all view from the camera. You can operate the camera with the help of your finger. With the help of setting, you can get all information over here. You can edit your password, set alarm setting, action with alarm, timing recorder, audio settings, video settings, Wi-Fi settings, SD card settings. You can do from here. If you have Wi-Fi network in your house and you don't need a LAN cable, you just click over here. It will give you all the Wi-Fi available in this device, the referred device. Just click on your Wi-Fi and give the password for the Wi-Fi. So it's connecting with your Wi-Fi right now, and it will show you online. So now you can remove your LAN cable, and then also you can use this camera just with the help of power cable and Wi-Fi. So you can get your video signal from here. With the help of this speaker sign, you can hear from the other side. You can get text snapshot over here. You can take video recording over here as well. And with the help of this mic button, you can talk from your mobile phone to the camera. So it's easy to set up and easy to configure it. You can mount anywhere in your house and your office to hear the sound, give the video from anywhere in the world. It's not required on the same network, on the same house. And you can add more than one camera on single app. It's easy. So we are going to check how we can configure this IP camera with the help of desktop or laptop. First of all, we need to download this application with the help of this link. You can get all the video links for the software with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android and user manual. For Windows, we need to download this link. Okay guys, first of all you need to open search tool. Okay, now you can get IP address. Just double click on that. It will ask you the login details. From over here you can change the language. It's by default Chinese, you can change it to English, and you can also view from over here. Okay, just make sure your flash working properly in your browser. You can see if we can get visual from camera, and you can just adjust the camera from here. And let's see what we can do, some settings with the help of this browser. From here we can convert the video format, image format and audio settings. We can do from here. In network section we can get network details like dynamic IP, fixed IP, and port. If we have any HTTP port and we can port forwarding this camera, we can do it from here. Once you do the settings, just click apply and then go to the next page. Here you can see the wireless network setting, like Wi-Fi setting. If you have any network of Wi-Fi router available, you can just configure from here. Just click search. It will show you all the available details, available Wi-Fi networks. Just join and give your credential. It will be connected with that Wi-Fi router. From alarm setting, we can get audio alarm on and off, and on next alarm we can get email alarms with send picture. We can save picture on FTP server, save video on FTP server, save picture on SD card, save video on SD card. With the help of email setting, you can set up your motion detection. So if if you set up this camera in your home or in your office and someone came, it will just take a picture and send it to your email ID. And if you set up with FTP, it will send you on FTP. And from schedule, you can just schedule the motion sensor. Like if you have working hours, you can't do the motion alarm on working hours. If your office and house are closed and no one there, you can just set up the time over here with the help of with the help of days and hours. In advance, we can get user access. If you have someone to use this camera from their side, you just give them user access, the username, password, and the repeat password. Auto snap. Okay, from this function we can get a snap in every 60 seconds. You can just increase the second and click over here, so it will save on your SD card. And if you click set this one, so it will save on your FTP server. Just make sure you set up your FTP first of all. Time record. If you mention the seconds, like how long you want the file and what time you want the file, you can just schedule over here, so it will just record that particular duration and save it to your location, your SD card or FTP. Email, as I show you earlier in your alarm, you can just set up your email over here and get your notification for motion and alarm notification on your email ID. FTP, you can get, if you have any FTP server, you can just configure over here. Taste it, first of all apply and then taste it. Just fill your details, apply and taste. From system setting, we can get to update time zone, date and time, and you can sync with your PC time as well. Initialize, we can reboot this camera, we can do factory restart, we can save the backup. If you have upgrade version file, we can just choose the file and upgrade it from here. From device information, you can just get all the information on which is device connected. You can get IP address, you can get gateway and everything from here. And from the device log, you can get all the log, like when you log in, you can get the entry over here. Once you change something, you can get log over here. So it's easy to set up and easy to operate the camera.